Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a responsive website to make a website be suitable or to size any screen, any devices at all without the need to rewrite for any device. You just write it once and it runs anywhere on any platform. It's suited on any screen size. So let's get started. Here's my website. So this is the mobile view of my website. So I'm going to put it to Windows view. Now this is how it is on the Windows. This is how it looks like. So this is the code that makes it to be resizable. We have the media query we use to make our website to be responsive. Now I'm going to put it to mobile. This is the Windows view, so I'm going to put it to mobile view. So this is what it looks like on the mobile view. It's not what I want it to be. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to work on this mobile view now. So first I will need to take out the left navigation panel, which is a class called left nav. So I'm going to say display. So this should be down. It should be down here. Display. No. So I'll refresh this. Okay, so this is what we have now. So when we go to this part again, when we go to the Windows view, where the navigation is there, and we'll put it to the mobile view, you can see it's no more because we set the viewport. The viewport refers to the viewport of the website is this place we are looking at. So we set the viewport to be at 666. Meaning that if it's above 666, it will automatically change. Let's say 666. So once we say 667, it will change. Look at it. So we have here 667, and then we have our nav panel back. So we are going to put it to 666, but this is what we want it to look like. So here it goes. So we can then concentrate on the smaller view, which is at 300 port view. Here it is. You can see it's not that really arranged. So we can use from here to style what we want to make it look like. We can hide, we can show using this very place, media query. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit up the subscription button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.